Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I am going for a walk here in the morning. It's a little overcast, which keeps the heat down here in Kentucky. And I think we're going to get some more rain. We've been getting rain the last few days, which we've desperately needed. I've been having to water our lawn and stuff like that before the grass came. But I thought I'd pop on here, say hello. I know I haven't posted a ton of videos here the last couple weeks, but my life has been crazy. Work is just insane right now. Super busy, several different issues going on that we're having to work through. And it's been causing me a lot of stress, which hasn't really left me much energy to craft, which it's really frustrating me. Then I start getting anxious about not getting to do my crafting, and it's just like this vicious cycle. And then my mom, there's stuff going on with my mom, and we realized that she's really not capable of keeping her finances anymore. She had maxed out some credit cards, and she just doesn't really seem to understand what's going on with what she did wrong. She doesn't really understand it. And so my sister and I, my brother, are having to deal with that. And Publishers Clearinghouse, guys, if you have elderly parents, please watch out for them. She's gotten scammed by Publishers Clearinghouse. She's given them so much money. And then my sister figured this out, which is impressive. She started getting all these donation things in the mail. Well, my sister noticed all of those different donation places all go back to the same mailing address that is Publishers Clearinghouse. So my mom, I won't tell you how much she's spending each month on Publishers Clearinghouse and donations, but it's ridiculous. And she's on a fixed income. She doesn't have the money to be able to do that. So that's been stressful, trying to get all that squared away and stopped. And then we found out she had bought 3 different car warranties, and those are scams also. So, it's just been a mess trying to get everything organized, understanding what all her bills are and what her income, we know her income, but what are all her outgoing expenses. And then her cars are really old, and we really don't want her to be driving, but she still wants to drive, at least just kind of around to the beauty shop and Walgreens and stuff like that. So that's been a lot. And then there's been mice in her basement, so then we're having to clean up all that. And then she had her sewer drain back up. And there's just a lot of maintenance that's going to be needed in that house, and she doesn't want to leave that house. So it's been one thing after another with her, and we love her to death, and we're trying to help her, and she just doesn't want our help. She's a very independent person, and she feels like she's a failure or weak if she asks for help. So we're trying to deal with that and help her understand that. So anyway, sorry to be boring you all with all this, but I just kind of needed to get it off my chest and really let y'all know what all I'm kind of going through. So I appreciate your all's patience as I work through all this. I do have tons of plans for some things, to video projects and stuff, but as you other fellow YouTubers know, it takes time. You gotta shoot the video, then edit the video, upload it, etc. And so first off, I just want to kind of get back to where I feel like crafting again and not worry about getting videos up. And then once I get that back, then I'll kind of get videos going. I'll get a couple up here and there, but it won't be as much as, I was doing about 3 a week. So it'll be a little bit, but I have tons of content. If you're new there and if you're still listening, please hit that subscribe button and check out all my past videos. I have a lot of junk journaling videos and shopping and home decor and Cricut projects and Cricut how-to. So check those out. All right, well, I hope you all have a fabulous day. And thanks for listening. This has actually made me feel a little bit better, and getting out and taking this walk is helping too. So you all have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next video.